Okay, so we got our game working out right here, but we have a little bug. And check it out. Whenever the user jumps, he just stays in that jumping position. So he doesn't start running again. He just slides like, he just jumped onto a platform of ice or something. So that's obviously not what we want. So we need to basically say, whenever he lands, don't make him stuck in that jumping animation. We need to change that real quick. So this is how you do that. We actually need to add another event, and the cool thing about this is there's a built-in event that says basically when they landed, and this is platform animation triggers on landed. So in order to do this, we need to see if they landed in one of two positions. Were they continuing to run when they landed, or did they just land and stay still? So if they were continuing to run, keep the running animation going, or whenever they landed, if they just stood still, play the idle animation. So of course we need some sub events, so highlight that and click S. And the first thing that we can test is platform is moving, which pretty much means did they continue to run? If so, player, we'll just go ahead and set that animation to run. And done. And the only other thing we need to add is make sure you don't click this add event, because then it's going to create another whole thing. We want to create a sub event to see when they landed. So basically this is saying, let me go ahead and do it first, then I'll talk you guys through it. But platform is moving, and for this we're going to invert it, and let me add the action too, it'll be easier to see. Set animation, and this one is just idle. So basically it's saying, okay, the dude landed, now what do you want me to check? Well, if he's moving still, then set the animation to keep running instead of having him just slide across the ice. And also, after he lands from a jump, if he is not moving, remember I inverted this, so this means not moving, then just set the animation to idle. So he doesn't look frozen, he just when he lands, he just stands there and bobs up and down. So it's going to have a lot more realistic behavior, and if we check that out right now, let me go down to my base level right here. Ooh, can't fit through there. So he's going to run, and then he's going to jump, and now he's going to keep running after that. And also, whenever he jumps and he just lands, he doesn't go in this weird like looking left or right position. He jumps, player lets go, and he's standing there idle, ready for the player to do something. So that is how we fix that bug right here. And well, our game, or at least our player, is pretty much set up good to go. He can jump around, he can run left and right. So now I think it would be cool if we actually started adding some enemies. So that's what we're going to be doing in the next tutorial, making this guy's life a little bit more difficult, but a lot more fun. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.